So we're in our ground source heat pump workshop. Many of the courses that we deliver here are around designs as we move towards carbon net zero. Now, there's a whole language around these courses that people need to become familiar with as we move towards these goals and targets. Now, we run a range of courses here, starting with retrofit, a level 2 qualification, which is really for people to learn around why it's important that we move to carbon net zero and what the whole green skills and the jobs and everything else that's available within green skills are out there for them. The green economy is going to be huge in the next few years. So a course like retrofit gives you an introduction. It's a level 2 qualification run over 3 days, but you get to understand the language of the new green revolution, and you get an understanding of the jobs that are available to you in the different pathways. And there's many, from plumbing, electrical, all the way through to different project management roles within the green skills. We run a range of qualifications here. So starting with the courses that just really teach you around the importance of it all and the language of green skills. But also then we run short courses for all the competent workers. So if you're a plumber or electrician, you can come in and do a qualification around installing electric vehicle points, for instance. Now, across the country, we're around about 60,000 short of electric vehicle points at the moment. So this is a job that you're guaranteed a lot of work once you've done it. So it's a short course. Many of the courses we run here are sort of 3 and 4 days. These are for the competent workers. We also have an apprenticeship starting, which is called the low carbon technician. Low carbon technician is a level 3 qualification that runs over 3 years, and that's specifically designed for people who want to work within the green economy. So they'll be working with equipment very much like this: ground source, air source, unvented cylinders, underfloor heating. So all of the things that reduce our necessity to use fossil fuels. So all of the green different courses that we run are specifically designed for a more sustainable future. And I think we're very well set up here for these qualifications. An awful lot of time preparing our staff. All of our staff now within the construction area are trained on different components and different green skills courses, from installing air source pumps, ground source heat pumps, solar thermal systems, photovoltaic systems that go onto roofs, electric vehicle charging points, as I've mentioned, low carbon technician apprenticeships. So there's an awful lot going on, and a lot of training's gone on so that we can actually start running these courses. That process has already begun. We're doing a lot of work at the moment around our retrofit quals at level 2. Level 3, people can actually move into the industry and become an assessor. So all of these courses are out there, and I think that the best thing to do if you're unsure is to apply on the website, and then we can give you some guidance which is the best course for you to do.